To get the most out of your eToro experience, it is essential to understand how to create and manage a watchlist effectively. A watchlist is a collection of financial instruments that you are interested in monitoring and potentially investing in. Here is a step-by-step guide to best practices for an eToro watchlist. First, identify your investment goals and risk tolerance. This will help you determine which assets to include in your watchlist. Consider factors such as market trends, economic conditions, and your personal financial situation. Next, select the assets you want to track. eToro offers a wide range of instruments, including stocks, commodities, currencies, and cryptocurrencies. You can browse through the various categories and add the assets that align with your investment strategy. Once you have added assets to your watchlist, prioritize them based on your investment goals and risk tolerance. You can categorize them as high, medium, or low priority, and set alerts for price movements or other market events. It is also essential to diversify your watchlist by including a mix of asset classes and sectors. This will help you spread risk and potentially increase returns. For example, you could include a combination of stocks from different industries, such as technology, healthcare, and finance. In addition to diversification, it is crucial to stay up to date with market news and trends. eToro provides a range of educational resources, including webinars, videos, and articles, to help you stay informed. You can also set up notifications to receive alerts when market conditions change. Another key aspect of managing a watchlist is to regularly review and update it. As market conditions change, you may need to adjust your investment strategy and remove or add assets to your watchlist. This will help you stay on track with your investment goals and adapt to changing market conditions. Finally, use the data and insights provided by eToro to inform your investment decisions. The platform offers a range of tools and features, including charts, graphs, and technical analysis indicators, to help you analyze market trends and make informed decisions. By following these best practices, you can create and manage an effective watchlist on eToro that helps you achieve your investment goals. Remember to stay informed, diversify your portfolio, and regularly review and update your watchlist to ensure you are always on track.